Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Firebase to Glide for real-time apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Firebase to Glide for real-time apps, start by opening your Firebase console. Create a new project by clicking on Add Project. Follow the prompts to name your project and accept the terms. Once your project is created, navigate to the Firebase real-time database section. Click on Create Database and select Start in Test Mode for development purposes. Enable the database and click Next to proceed. Now, go to the Authentication section in the left sidebar. Click on Get Started, then enable the sign-in method you prefer, such as email/password. Next, open your Glide app by logging into your Glide account. Create a new app or select an existing app that you want to connect to Firebase. In Glide, click on the Settings tab on the left side. Scroll down to find the Data section and click Add a Source. Select Firebase from the list of data sources. You'll be prompted to enter your Firebase database URL. Go back to your Firebase console and find your database URL in the Real-Time Database section. Copy the URL and paste it into Glide. Next, you'll need to add Firebase configuration details for authentication. In the Firebase console, navigate to Project Settings by clicking the gear icon. Under your apps, select Add App and choose the appropriate platform. Follow the instructions to register your app, and you will receive configuration details. Copy the API key, auth domain, database URL, and storage bucket. Back in Glide, paste these credentials into the corresponding fields. Once you've input all the necessary Firebase settings, click Connect. Glide will now sync with your Firebase database. Test the connection by adding a new data entry in Firebase. Go back to your Glide app and check for the new entry in real time. You've successfully connected Firebase to Glide for real-time apps. Now you can build and customize your application. Utilize Glide's components to enhance user experience. Start creating engaging features for your users with real-time capabilities. Your connected setup is now ready for use in development and beyond. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.